Hi friends, thank you for joining me today. My name is Andrea and on Wednesdays I upload a new video, usually a Chinese main course or dish. Today though, I'll be showing you how to make what I think is one of the yummiest sauces, ginger scallion sauce. This sauce pairs so well with a wide variety of dishes like poached chicken or as a condiment on rice or noodles. I love the saltiness of the sauce together with the freshness of the green onion and the spiciness of the ginger. It's so good. I could eat this sauce with everything. So let's get started. First, finely chop 2 stalks of green onion. Then mince 1 slice of ginger. You'll need about a tablespoon. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Then add in the ginger and sauté until fragrant. Next, add in the green onion and sauté for another half a minute. Turn off the heat and add half a teaspoon of salt and stir. Transfer to a dish and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes to let the flavors combine and then serve and enjoy. Thank you again for joining me today. If you tried out my recipe, please leave a comment below on how it turned out and what you paired it with. I'd love to know. If you liked my video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Asian food ideas. Until next time, friends. Mwah!